y'all, welcome back to the pink envelope. We have a FabFitFun box. So they've reached out and said, hey, can we send you a box? And I thought, yes, because exactly 1 year ago, I canceled my FabFitFun subscription, like almost to the date of this release. So I was like, I would love to see what they're up to. I did get to make a few customizations, but I did not get to customize the whole box. So I've got a few surprises in here and a few items that I selected, but they don't guarantee your selections. So I guess we'll see what's happening. So if you're new around here, I was an OG FabFitFun founding subscriber. Like when they opened the box, I subscribed. It was a subscriber for years. Love, love, love the box. But the longer I was subscribed, the longer I subscribed, the further back in the shipping process I got placed. And by the time last year, when I canceled this, I was the last one to get my box. And I know that kind of sounds funny, but like, no, legitimately, everybody I knew would get their box about 2 months before me. That doesn't work for an unboxer. Like, my job, what I do here is share boxes with you. And if I get my winter box at the same time they're shipping the spring box, mute point. And I already had a bit of subscription fatigue. I liked the box, but I didn't. I don't know. We talked about it. We all decided I should probably cancel, so I did. If you are working on last minute shopping and you just don't even know where to start, go check out the Pink Envelope Holiday Gift Guide. We have some great recommendations for great subscription boxes on there with great coupon codes so that you can give somebody the gift that keeps on giving. So, URL is down below if you want to go check that out. Of course, we have our blog site, whatever you want to call that guy, that has the coupon code list on there. It has unboxings on there. It has all sorts of things. That link is also down below if you want to go snag that. So I'm looping back to see, have they changed anything? Is everything the same? The process still looks the same. The products when I looked online look the same, but we'll dive in and see. So, FabFitFun is a quarterly lifestyle box. Like I said, I was subscribed for years and years and loved it. It's only $59.99 and they do offer prepaid discounts, meaning if you subscribe for an annual, which is 4 boxes, you pay less than $59.99 per box and you actually get some perks, which is pretty cool. I was always an annual. Highly recommend going that route. They have free US shipping, $8 to Canada, Alaska, Hawaii, and Puerto Rico, and $10 to the UK. So they have a vast shipping, which I love. You can use the code Pink Envelope and you will get $10 off your first box. When I get down below in the description, I'll put all of this out because you guys know I put everything down there. But I also itemize the items that are in my box. And I'm going to put on that description down below all of the past items that I received in past FabFitFun boxes that I saw were still in the members only shop. Like items that I'd be like, this was a great product. Basically, you can consider it an empties review. I'll put those down there so the next time you're customizing your box, if you want to add those on, you can, because I'm already going to tell you those are great products. Okay, so this is full spoilers. I guess it's full spoilers. This box has been out. There's been several unboxings of it. But for all intents and purposes here, this is a full spoiler of the FabFitFun Winter 2022 box. All boxes have up to 8 products inside. Seasonal members, meaning you go from season to season and just have the quarterly subscription. I think we get to do 4 customizations per box. And annual members get to customize their entire box. And they get to customize it first. We get to pick second. There really are some fabulous perks to being an annual because the best items do sell out every time. I do remember that. So this box is made of 100% recycled craft materials. I am seeing a much more recycle-friendly packaging than they historically had a few years ago, and I am here for that. One of the things I love about this box is they send full-size products. They don't send a bunch of samples. Not that I'm against samples, but I always cancel something with samples because they start to pile up and then I feel cluttered. Whereas the full-size products, I either use them or gift them. So I don't ever feel that like cluttery pressure. Okay, on top we have Drench and Tone Duo 4-piece sheet mask set. I am a big sheet mask fan. I don't like mud mask or any of those types. I like the sheet ones. And so we have 2 of each, 4 masks. I think that's awesome. I've never used this particular line, but I would assume it's probably pretty great. That is the one thing that is a pretty safe bet with FabFitFun is they vet the products really, really well. I next to never have received a product that I used and was like, ugh. In one of my last boxes that I opened a year ago, I received like a little blue frying pan. And that was it, just one frying pan. I was like, this is weird. Like, I like my pots and pans to be a matching set. Occasionally, maybe I have one mismatch, but no, like they're all together. So I had this one random frying pan. I was like, whatever. Y'all, that is my husband's favorite pan. He pulls it out anytime he's cooking anything. If it'll fit, because it is small, he uses that pan. It's got a great non-stick. It's lightweight. It's easy to wash. Anyways, I got on here and I was like, what are we going to do with this? And then come to find out, it's his favorite. We use it all the time. Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. Wow, wow, wow. I can say, let me show you the back. It has the hourglass shaped brush. I am a big fan of the hourglass shaped brush. For a while there, the trend was that really thin brush. Like, I mean, the whole thing's thin and straight. And I'm sure there's a great way to use it. I never figured it out. Like, I tried again. That's actually what I have on right now. I was like, I'm going to try again. And every time I use it, I get these like big clumps and I can't separate my lashes. I don't know. It just doesn't work for me. I don't like, and I would be interested to hear what you guys have to say. I don't like clumps at all. Like, thick. I know there's a few girls that's like the goal is to get really thick layers. That is not my goal. I like a happy medium between volume and length. If I had to choose, I'm going to go for volume, like a thick full look, more than I would go for a long stringy look. Y'all remember those fibers? I don't know how many years ago we used to put on our lashes and then cover them with mascara so they would look really long. I never could get behind the spider eye look. So I'm very excited to try this. I have heard of this brand before. I've heard great things. So far, 2 big thumbs up on products pulled out. Let's see what this is. Mersea Fabric Shaver. Okay, I selected this item. I am going to end up using this item a lot. So we often open home decor subscription boxes around here. You guys know that. But one of the things we talk about all the time is on our blankets and pillows, they'll start getting, what is it called? Pileage, whatever the little balls are that you're like, oh, I wish those would go away. This guy right here shaves them off. So see it right here? You literally charge it. Once it's charged, you turn it on and you drag it across pillows and blankets, and any of those little balls and fuzzies that are sticking up, it shaves them off. So you'll have a completely flat, smooth blanket or pillow. I've never owned one of these before because my couch doesn't do that. So it would just be an occasional pillow or blanket, and then I would use scissors, which I do not recommend because if you accidentally pinch the fabric, you cut a sliver in it and it's just basically ruined. It sucks. This is the way to go. So I have not tried this particular brand, but I'm stoked that it's a rechargeable battery, fabric shaver, and cleaning brush. So this is why I love the box. This is why I was a subscriber for years and years and years. Cool products that I either want to try or that I know I wanted, not necessarily needed, but wanted, for under 60 bucks because I did annual. A scalp massager. Oh yeah, so this is a great product. I don't need this. I have like, I don't know how many of these I have. But this is a great gifting idea, especially for people who are constantly like, okay, show me curly girl tips and tricks. I always include one of these right here in the kit that I give them. This one actually has a rope. None of my other ones do. That's pretty nice. But you can use this just to massage your scalp. I actually take whatever my co-wash or shampoo is and put it on here. And I'll pull like a whole chunk of my hair to the side so that I can get exposed scalp. And I massage and actually clean my scalp with this because you are not supposed to use your fingernails. Your fingernails actually damage and tear up your scalp. But if you're just trying to use the balls of your fingers, sometimes it's kind of hard to do a good job with that. These scalp massagers are amazing. Highly recommend them. So I don't know, I may gift this to someone or I may not because I like that it actually has the hanging thing. My other ones do not have that. Okay, we still have several more products in here to go. Same brand. I do not know how to say this brand, but this is a detoxing shampoo. So as said earlier, you would put the shampoo on here and then scrub. I have not used this brand before, but it does say detoxing shampoo, which is a good sign. Let's see. Wet hair, lather up, rinse, cleanse, and pair with our conditioner. I'll have to read through it. One of the biggest keys for keeping my curls happy is avoiding harsh alcohols that dry out the scalp and the skin. So like I never walk around scratching my scalp itchy because I have not used the alcohols and triggered that whole process that makes the oily skin, etc., etc. So I'll have to read through on some of my trusted curly girl sites to see if that works. If not, I will be paying it forward to a friend. All you straight-haired gals are always lining up to get the great products from these boxes because y'all know how picky I am. LOccitane Cream Dry Skin Hand Cream. There we go. Great, great brand. Here, I'll show you the box real quick. And then inside, oh, baby. Ooh. There we go. A shea butter hand cream for dry skin. Very appropriate for winter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll count that as 6, even though there's 4 products there. And last but certainly not least is this guy. Oh, I think I know what this is. I think this is a car organizer because I selected this. I love the color green. Yes, a car organizer. So that's what the tag says right there. I wanted one of these to go in the center between where my 2 kids sit or in the trunk. Either will work for me. Oh, this one's big, so that would be trunk. So it almost looks like a shoe. You know those things you hang in your closet for shoes? Except for it goes in your trunk. These are really, really nice because I am in like hardcore mom carpool stage. And so we're always throwing shoes, sports clothes, balls, like little tennis balls, soccer balls, snacks, you name it, fidgets. The number of fidgets and poppets that I find in my car and squishies is crazy. So yeah, I'm thinking this is probably gonna go in the trunk. It even has, in the side, it has pockets. So like these are 3 storage compartments, but then I see a pocket on the side of both of these right here. I guess when you're not using it, you go like this, you can snap it closed, and it stores really flat and easy. So, thoughts. Hands down, value is there. Hands down, the value is there. If you are going quarter to quarter or season to season is how I think they say it, you're paying $60, no, and shipping's free. And I mean, let's just see how much this hand lotion is. This hand lotion alone is $30, which is exactly what I would expect to pay from this particular brand and their quality. Let's see what this mascara is. The mascara is $28. So we're at $58 in value, which you can go to Sephora or Ulta to confirm this, and you can walk straight into a LOccitane store to confirm this. These 2 items alone get your value. Let's just peek into this. This is a new brand for me. If anybody knows how to say this brand, hook it up and tell us. Let us know. Oh, when you Google it, it says pronounced Ouai. So, Ouai. Oh, I can see it. Ouai Detoxing Shampoo. This guy at Ulta or on the Ouai site has a retail value of $30. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We're almost at $90 right there. That's a pretty good deal. I won't dive into everything, but I'm not gonna lie. Needed this, super stoked. For my treat yourself evenings when I'm watching my Christmas movies, those are gonna be on. I'm giving FabFitFun a huge thumbs up. This is why I originally subscribed. Now, they sent this as a PR box to me, so I don't know if shipping issues have been worked out. I do think that it worked, and I'm going to subscribe and bring the box back. We've been talking about it a lot on the Ask the Pink Envelope Facebook group, so I was already trying to figure out if I wanted to dive back in because I do love the products. I just want my box first. I wonder if I can contact them and say, hey, this is who I am. I want my box. I love my subscription. Just go look at the history. I've given y'all a ton of money. Can I get my box early enough to share it with friends? Might be a big ask, but I think I'm going to go for it. I would love to know what you guys think. If you subscribe to FabFitFun Winter, what items did you get? Have you tried any of these items? Are you liking them or not liking them? And then I do have down below items that I found are currently on the members only shop that I love. Like there's a pair of Kate Spade earrings I own that I love that is still in the shop. A robe, a swell, sunglasses, the unhide blanket. We use that all the time. They are still in the members only shop. So if you can snag those, you should, because the prices on them are unbeatable. The sponge gel buffers, some products by Dr. Rogers. All of this is listed below if you want to check it out. So grab my coupon code down below and the URL down below and subscribe. You can grab this winter box if you're loving what you're seeing here, or join us in spring. We're going to be doing the spring thing with them because I'm so impressed. We are getting close to my big holiday break. Every single year, I find a time where I skedaddle off in December to go be with my family. It is an opportunity that I take advantage of being an entrepreneur, and that I go for about 2 weeks. The YouTube channel will be quiet for about 2 whole weeks. During that time, I encourage you guys to do the same thing that I'm going to be doing, which is being outside, talking to people, smiling and waving at people as they drive by. Well, I don't have my final date yet, but it's going to be somewhere around December 11th where I take my family break and then we come back for the new year. When we come back for the new year, so many awesome things. So many awesome things will be happening because Crystal and I will still be working on the business for you guys. And we will be around on social media some. Like if I feel like it, I'll get on Instagram, but I'm not going to be like focused to be on there. And then of course I always will be hanging with our Pink Envelope family on the Ask the Pink Envelope Facebook group. But I'll loop back and let you guys know more once I have that finalized, because I have a mini haul with some awesome boxes. 2 of the 3, or 3 of the 4 is how I should say it, are brand new. And then I have Balance Co coming, you guys. A bunch of them. A bunch of Balance Co boxes. So we'll play with those. So we're not done yet. We still have cool things coming. So if you have not already, subscribe to the channel because we are going to have some fun before our break. And then when we come back after the break, everything you see here will not look or be like this. So then that will be fun as well. I hope that you guys are having an absolutely wonderful December. And if you subscribe to the channel, I'm going to see you guys later. Bye, y'all.